The Berejiklian government has extended the regional seniors travel card for the next 2 years for the Central Coast's 40,000 seniors. There's $100 Learn to Swim vouchers for preschool-aged children and $365 million to phase out single-use plastics across New South Wales. $45 million to continue the faster rail program between Sydney, Newcastle and the Central Coast, as well as $10 million to transition the New South Wales bus fleet from diesel to zero-emission buses. Meanwhile, closer to home, work will begin on the commuter car park at Tuggerah train station, as well as accessibility upgrades, with $17.8 million allocated to the project. Point Clare, Lisarow, Narara and Niagara Park stations also received funds. $27.8 million has been put on the table to continue the duplication of the Pacific Highway at Lisarow. $6.6 million for Mans Road intersection upgrades at Narara Creek and Stockyard Place. $4 million to continue planning for the Pacific Highway at Wyong. And there was a win for the Central Coast Local Health District's 8,000 staff, each receiving a 2.5% pay increase. $880,000 to purchase and install energy-efficient systems at Gosford Hospital, and there's a new hospital security package to improve staff safety at Gosford and Wyong hospitals. As far as schools, there's $16.1 million to complete the new Porters Creek Public School at Warnervale. $400,000 in additional funding will be awarded to the Central Coast P&Cs. $830,000 will also go to upgrading Brook Avenue Public School at Killarney Vale. $8.1 million has been allocated to improve social housing across the region, as well as $3.1 million to construct new social housing in Gosford. As far as infrastructure, Gosford Courthouse will receive a major makeover, as well as Gosford Racecourse. A number of mental health programs on the Central Coast have also received funding, and 5 local surf life-saving clubs will also share $318,000 for upgrades. We'll give you more on the state budget tomorrow, but for now, have a good night. Highway upgrade, and there's $1.5 million to finish planning and commence pre-structure work at the intersection at Woy Woy on Blackwall Road and Memorial Avenue.